Hi guys, I am back. Oh no, upside down. Okay, so you know the sound video. This is part 2 of the sound video. So what one? I think we're on cats. I'm not sure. No, we're gonna start. Did you hear the horses in the last video? Let's see. We're gonna start all over. Sorry, I just don't know where I left off. Okay, so we're gonna start with horses. Let me get this ready. Sorry. Nay! Nay! Oh, nay! But like, I did this. This is good as good. Don't judge me. Next is dog. I mean, everybody can sound like that. And cats. That's baby kitty. Next one is that. Most of all, Stitch. Hi, I'm Stitch. What is your name? Ohana means family. It means no one just left behind or forgotten. Cute and fluffy. Subscribe if you think that was cool. Bye, cuties.